examinations postponed. That's the big coming in. The news coming in. CBI 10th class board examinations has been cancelled. The 12th examinations have been postponed. That's the big breaking story that we've crashed into at the moment. Center is postponed. Class 12 CBSE board examinations. And the 10th board examinations stand to be cancelled. So if you're a student, this is the news that you've been waiting for. There was a question mark over what is going on with the board examinations, but you do know there was a very crucial meeting that just took place. Now the news coming in, and we're the first to break it on India Today, is the center has postponed grade 12 CBSE board examinations and the 10th class examinations stand to be cancelled. Tanushree is joining us live with the very latest. Tanushree, what's going on? Bring us up to speed with the very latest. While the center has postponed the 12th examinations, when has it been postponed to? And if class 10 stands to be cancelled, how are the students getting graded?
Well, Chaiti, this was one of the biggest concerns. The students, the class 10th and 12th board examination was one of the biggest security concern amidst the pandemic for both the center government and the state government. There was a lot of pressure from all the state government that the CBSE examination should be either cancelled or should be held online. The second meeting with the education minister, the first meeting was chaired by Prime Minister Modi himself. Today was the second meeting. And after the second meeting has been conducted, has been concluded, finally the CBSE officials and the HRD ministry has decided that we are in the middle of a pandemic. It is a lot to put the students, in risk, and keeping that in mind, class 12th examinations have been postponed. The date has not been decided on, when the class 12th examination will be held later. A review meeting will be held on June 1st. Our stock will be taken of the situation of COVID, and on the basis of that, the next date will be given for class 12th board examination. Now, coming to class 10th board examination, it has been cancelled, and the students of class 10 will be promoted to class 11th on the basis of an internal assessment, which will be taken care by the respective schools. So this is the information we are getting from the HRD officials and the CBSE officials, that for Prime Minister Modi said that the students, their security, their safety is the biggest concern for the governments and for the country at this point of time. We cannot put our students at risk. We are in the middle of a pandemic. COVID-19 is resurging again. And keeping that in mind, class 12th examination board has been cancelled. The students will be promoted on the basis of an internal assessment, and the class 12th board examination has been postponed for now. A meeting will be held on June 1st. And on the basis of that, the next date for class 12th examination will come out. Chaiti, back to you.
All right, so Tanushree, hold on with us right there. Stay on. We'll get some reactions from school students and from different schools as well, the principals, teachers, counsellors, what they have to think about it. I'm requesting our producers to get some counsellors for them to be able to guide the students on what next as far as their academic future is concerned. But for the moment, in the light of the rising number of cases, remember this is the second wave we are talking about of coronavirus. Center has postponed the class 12 CBSE board exams, and the 10th grade exams are also cancelled at the moment. This is coming on the back of the Prime Minister's meeting today amidst calls to cancel CBSE board examinations. For the moment, 10th grade exams are cancelled. Center has postponed grade 12 CBSE board examinations. Tanushree still continues to be with us. Tanushree, are we getting any kind of reactions coming in from schools, colleges, counsellors on the back of this particular breaking development that's coming in?
Well, the students, I can tell you, are extremely happy, Chaiti. We have been, and India Today as a channel has been speaking to a lot of students to get their concern on board. And all the students in one unanimous voice have been telling me for the last 3-4 days, Chaiti, that, we are under a lot of pressure. It's not just the pressure of studies, it's not just the pressure of board examination, but we are under a lot of added pressure because we have to give offline examination with the scare of COVID-19, with the scare of a virus catching us. So some of the students told me that, they cannot really focus on the studies because they are too scared of the COVID-19 situation. Some of the students told me that had it not been a situation like a pandemic situation, which the country is witnessing right now, maybe they could have gotten better grades. Maybe their focus on study could have been better. So I can tell you for the time being that the students are across the country are extremely happy. They welcome this decision. They welcome this decision by the center government. Also, the teachers, about 1 lakh teachers had to be, used for this entire board process, and the teachers are also extremely happy. They are saying that we can always look after the studies, we can always look after the student, but for now, their health, their safety, their security is something which is of utmost priority to us. So I can tell you that the schools, the teachers, and the students for whom the decision has been made, they are extremely happy about this decision.
Yes, this is a decision that will make the students also very happy, given the fact the number of cases is rising in this country. But Tanushree, for our viewers who have just tuned in, I just want to recap the news that we just broke. It's a big breaking story that we are getting you on India Today. Center has postponed the 12th grade CBSE board examinations, and the 10th class exams also cancelled. Tanushree, for our viewers who have just tuned in, if you could give us a sense of what the timeline is looking like, given the fact that the 12th grade one stands to be postponed.
The class 10th and the class 12th examination were to be held from May 4 to June 1st. Those were the dates earlier. Now, there was a lot of concern amongst the state governments, also the central government and the student section, that how are we going to give offline examination in the middle of a pandemic? What if all these students or the teachers catch the virus? And there was a lot of pressure on the central government as well. So there were 2 meetings. The first meeting was held, was in fact chaired by Prime Minister Modi himself. It was our HRD minister was also present, and there were a lot of CBSE officials. Now, today was the second meeting, and after the second meeting was concluded, 2 decisions were taken that class 10th board examination stand cancelled. Now, the students will be promoted to class 11th on a basis of a objective criterion which will be made by the board. If any student is not satisfied with his or her marks, wherever the situation is conducive, that student will be given an opportunity to sit for an exam and prove himself. So as of now, for the time being, class 10 board examination has been cancelled. The students will be promoted on the basis of an objective criterion which will be made by the CBSE board. Now, the class 12 board examination, as of now, for the time being, has been postponed. When are they going to be held has not been decided as of now by the CBSE board and also by the HRD ministry. A review meeting will be held on June 1.
And you just mentioned an alternative method of assessment just right now for the 10th standard students. If you could just explain that in much detail for our students who are listening in.
Chetty, what we are gathering as of now, that the class 10th students will be promoted to class 11th on the basis of an objective criterion. Now, this objective, the objective criterion which will be decided by the CBSE, by the board itself. Now, the board has given a very fair chance to the student that we will prepare an objective criterion. On the basis, it will be like an internal assessment which will be taken care by the school and by the board.
And that is going to take place virtually, Tanushree? All right, we've lost that connection right there to Tanushree, but this is a devastating corona wave, second wave that we are talking about. There were many parents who have voiced their concerns even on India Today earlier as to how they either should be cancelled or postponed in the light of this second wave. And also there was a fear looming large about them sending their children in this fashion with the rising number of corona cases to appear for the examinations. But now the news has come in. We'll get a mixed bag of reactions, I'm sure. We'll get some students patched on this broadcast. We will also get you parents on this broadcast, teachers and people from the education fraternity to walk us through how they feel about this decision. For the moment, the big story that is coming, this is the Prime Minister's meeting today amidst calls to cancel CBSE board examination, is that the centre has postponed class 12 CBSE board exams. 10th class exams cancelled. cancel. It is not happening, and as Tanushree was mentioning, all the students who are studying in class 10 will get promoted to the next grade, but there's going to be an objective assessment that will take place, which is going to be internal. As far as class 12 is concerned, the exams will take place, just that it will not take place now amidst this pandemic. The center has postponed the 12th grade examinations. How this is going to impact their future, their admissions, for those who are going overseas, for those who are seeking admission in professional courses, all of that a counselor will be able to guide us better, or someone from the education fraternity would be able to guide better. But for now, the big story coming in is the center has postponed Class 12 CBSE examinations, and 10th class examination also stand to be confirmed. Situation is going to be reviewed on 1st of June. That's the news flash that is coming in. The academic interest should not be harmed, and hence that there will be a review meeting also that will come in. Notice of 15 days before the start of examinations. COVID has hit board exams. The exam for class 10 stands to be cancelled. For class 12, it's postponed. So class 10 examinations cancelled and 12th board examination postponed. A timeline is something that Tanushree will be able to get us in just about a bit. No CBSE 10th grade examination amidst COVID pandemic, and 12th grade examination postponed. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. Amidst the rising number of cases, this is a decision that has been taken at the very highest level possible from the center. The Prime Minister had a high-level meeting today amidst the calls to cancel the board examinations. Remember, the count of coronavirus in the deadly second wave has been spiraling upwards, and hence this particular decision has been taken. There was a meeting of the Prime Minister with Education Minister and some top officials. That meeting has concluded, and we're getting information coming in from the meeting at the moment that 12th grade is postponed and class 10 exams have been cancelled. We'll get you more reactions. This is going to come much to the satisfaction of the parents who were extremely concerned about sending their children to appear for these examinations. And at the moment, we're getting news that is just trickling in. There were many people even on our broadcast, on our channel, parents, teachers, people from the education fraternity who have come on our channel voicing their concerns about the examination centers that are turning out to be COVID hotspots, and that was a matter of huge concern. Tanushree is still with us. Tanushree, this was a high-level decision that was taken in the meeting that was chaired by the Prime Minister, and of course, amidst the concerns that were coming in from all quarters about examination centers turning out to be COVID hotspots with the rising number of cases, this perhaps is a decision that has been taken. But do we have more information that the parents and the students alike who are watching this broadcast can use?
Jyoti, we have three very clear piece of information. The first information is that both the examination, class 10th and 12th board exams, were to be held from May 4th to June 14. These were the dates initially. Then there was a lot of pressure on the central government and the CBSE officials to cancel the examination or do it the online way, because we are in the middle of a pandemic. The cases of COVID-19 are rising not just in the national capital but across the country. First meeting was held, which was chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, where he very clearly said that the security and the safety of the students are of utmost priority to us. Today was the second meeting, which was held between HRD Minister, HRD officials and the CBSE official. It was concluded about an hour back, and the decision which came out of that is that class 10th board examination stand cancelled. The students will be promoted to standard 11th on the basis of an objective criterion which will be made by the CBSE board itself. Now the CBSE has given a very fair chance to the student. If any student feel that the marks he or she deserved more marks, that student
will be given a chance, an opportunity to sit for the examination whenever the situation is conducive. So as of now, on something called the internal assessments, on some sort of the internal assessment which will be made by the CBSE board, on the basis of that, class 10 students will be promoted to class 11th. Now coming to the board examination of class 12. Class 12 board examination has been postponed for the moment. A review meeting will be held by the CBSE officials and the HRD officials on June 1st. They will take a stock of the entire COVID-19 situation as to is it safe to get an offline examination for the students or not. And if they feel that no, we are still, the cases are still rising, we are still in the middle of a pandemic and an offline examination is not really feasible, then they will decide as to the future course, what is going to be the future course of action for class 12th examination. But as of now, class 12th board exam, which were to be held from May 4 to June 14, has been postponed for the moment. The students have been asked to take rest. They have been asked to sit back and relax. A notice period, at least a notice period of 15 days to 1 month will be given to the students in prior whenever the next date is decided. So for now, class 10 board examination is cancelled. The students will be promoted on the basis of an objective criterion, some sort of an internal assessment which will be made by the CBSE board. Class 12 board examination has been postponed. The next date will be given on June 1st. Chaiti, back to you.
That's right. Tanushree has brought us up to speed with the very latest developments. This is a big decision that has been taken. It's a high-level meeting that was chaired by the Prime Minister with the Education Minister, and the decision has been taken. There was a growing chorus for postponing or cancellation of these examinations in the back of the rising number of COVID cases. Parents were worried about examination centers turning into COVID hotspots, wary of their kids going to appear to take these examinations. We are getting news that is coming in. CBSE review is going to take place on 1st June as well. The results are going to be based on internal assessment for the class 10 students. So there will be an internal assessment for class 10 students. 19 lakh class 10 CBSE students, 12 lakh class 11 students impacted by this particular decision. Class 12 board examinations stand to be postponed. This was a call coming in from the parents and students alike, wanting the cancellation or postponement of these examinations. As far as class 12 is concerned, there is a CBSE review on 1st of June, 15-day notice for exams. As far as class 10 is concerned, CBSE results based on internal assessment. There will be an internal assessment, the process that was explained by Tanushree. There are 19 lakh 10th grade students and 12 lakh 12th grade students who were appearing for this examination. 12th standard board examinations postponed, class 10 cancelled. We must get a few reactions as well from students as to how they feel about this move from counsellors as to what next in terms of their academic careers for the ones who are seeking admission in professional courses. Tanushree is still with us at the moment. Tanushree, all right, Tanushree will be joining us in just about a bit, but when Tanushree comes back, there are several other questions that she perhaps would be able to answer. This was a high-level meeting that was chaired by the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister's meeting today took place amidst call to cancel CBSE board examination. He met up with the Education Minister. He met up with top educational officials as well at noon. And this is a particular decision, big decision that is taken, and the fate of all these students right there is something that a counsellor will be able to tell us in the light of these developments that are coming in. There is a reaction coming in from the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister.
देश के लाखों बच्चे, उनके पेरेंट्स और बाकी टीचर्स और बाकी सब लोग भी इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. हमें खुशी है कि एग्ज़ाम 10वीं क्लास के कैंसिल किए जा रहे हैं और 12वीं क्लास की डेट्स रीशेड्यूल की जा रही हैं. हालांकि मेरा मानना है कि 12वीं क्लास के बच्चों के मन में जो एंग्जाइटी अभी बनी रहेगी रीशेड्यूलिंग की वजह से, वो भी दूर की जा सकती थी. उसकी जगह अगर उनके भी एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल करके और एक कोई दूसरा तरीका निकाल लेते और बच्चे भी इससे आगे बढ़ जाते फिर. लेकिन फिर भी अच्छी बात है कि एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल किए जा रहे हैं या उनके बारे में फ़िलहाल ना कराने का फैसला लिया गया है 12वीं क्लास के एग्ज़ाम के बारे में.
नीड ऑफ द आवर थी, आपको लगता है?
लाखों करोड़ों लोग इस बात की अपेक्षा कर रहे थे, इसकी मांग कर रहे थे. हम भी पिछले 4-5 दिन से लगातार इसको उठा रहे थे. मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने भी कहा था कि एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल किए जाएं. आज उस बारे में फैसला लिया गया है। हमें खुशी है कि बच्चों के हित में फैसला लिया है।
सर, जिस तरह से शिक्षा मंत्री ने बोला है, उन्होंने कहा है कि जो भी प्रमोट होंगे इंटरनल असेसमेंट के हिसाब से, अगर उनको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है तो दोबारा भी एक तरीके से वो परीक्षा दें।
ये 10th के बारे में बोला है, 12th के बारे में भी ये निर्णय ले सकते थे। 12th के बच्चे भी उतनी ही एंग्जाइटी, उतनी अनसर्टेनिटी में हैं। अगर 12th के बारे में भी ये फैसला ले लेते तो और अच्छा होता।
आप अपील करना चाहते हैं कि 12th के?
बिल्कुल, मैं अपील करना चाहूँगा कि 12th के बच्चों की भी एंग्जाइटी ख़त्म कर दें और उनके भी असेसमेंट्स जो अभी तक इंटरनल असेसमेंट्स हुए हैं या प्री बोर्ड हुए हैं, उन सब के बेस पर उनको भी प्रमोट किया जाए।
पेरेंट्स को भी कुछ मैसेज देना चाहते हैं जो पेरेंट्स हैं?
नहीं, पेरेंट्स को भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि और बच्चों को भी कि अब जबकि एग्ज़ाम 10वीं के कैंसिल हो गए हैं या 12वीं के एग्ज़ाम अब आगे बढ़ गए हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोरोना कम हो गया है। बच्चे बाहर ना जाएं, बच्चे ऐसा नहीं है कि शॉपिंग करने या मार्केट में निकल जाएं या बच्चे घूमने निकल जाएं। बच्चों के लिए ज़रूरी है कि वो अपने घर पे रहें, सबके लिए ज़रूरी है कि वो अपने घर पे रहें।
Milan Sharma is joining us live for the latest. Milan, any kind of reactions, initial first up reactions coming in from ground? Students must be happy about this decision in the light of the rising COVID cases, and the parents must be super relieved given that there were fears that some of these examination centers could turn into COVID hotspots.
Well, Chetty, right now we've just heard the news trickling in that the government has taken such a big decision for the CBSE class 12th and 10th examinations. There was a huge chorus of students as well as parents from across the country to cancel the CBSE examinations. Remember that the opposition party was also rallying behind the chorus. Many chief ministers, such as Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, had also written to the centre to cancel or either postpone the board exams. The centre has taken all this into consideration and decided to postpone these exams. But the main question is that the 10th grading will be done on the basis of internal assessment. Of course, students are always more anxious about the marks that they will score. Remember, the 12th mark sheet, Chetty, you and I will also remember we have to show throughout the year, throughout our lifetime.
Yeah.
And that's why the 12th standard students are more anxious at this point of time that when will the next examinations be held, and this will be done after a review meeting is kept in June. So yes, we are waiting for initial reactions, but I'm sure there'll be a mixed bag of them.
No, and you know, Milan, you were absolutely right, because the grade 12 examination mark sheet is the most important one, whether you go for a job, whether you're applying for a professional degree, whether you are applying for the undergraduate degree or going to a school overseas or in India for that matter. Your 12th grade mark sheet is a very crucial document that every student and each one of us really possesses, and the 12th grade examinations tend to be postponed. There will be a lot of curiosity as to when is it postponed for, because then the results will come out, then they will have the mark sheet in their hands, and how do they align themselves with the different universities all over in the country and overseas, not just here.
Well, definitely, Chetty, that's a question that will be answered by the CBSE, because right now the more important thing for the government to do was safeguard the lives of students who would be coming out in lakhs to give the board examinations in the country. And look at the number of cases that we are looking at right now. A jump of 1,85,000 cases just in the last 24 hours. Delhi is looking at 13,000 cases. Lucknow, the situation is getting worse. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Kerala they're all looking at a surge in COVID cases. The parents have been very concerned about their wards going outside and giving examinations. Although we would call it a temporary relief, certainly, but the 12th mark sheet is a very important mark sheet. You need to show it for your university entry. You need to show it if you want to apply overseas. You need to show it for jobs. So certainly the government is also very much aware, and which is why on June 1st, a review meeting will be done. Hope is that till such time the corona cases would have receded, and by then they would decide when the next examinations will be held. But Chetty, let me tell you very importantly, and to the viewers, 15 to 20-day gap will be given to the students to prepare once again. The syllabus will remain absolutely the same. There will be no change in the syllabus at all, and which is why the students will be told 15 to 20 days prior when the next 12th examinations will take place.
You know, there are flashes on your screens right now on a call-in. So if you're a student, you can dial that number which is flashing across your screens at the moment. There you go, the number is on your screen. You can join us live. You can join us live and tell us about your viewpoint. If you're you were slated to appear for the 10th or the 12th grade examinations. Why don't you join us and tell us how you feel about this? If you're a parent, please join in. If you're a student, please join in. All right. We're getting a caller already. We flashed the number and the caller is here already. Captain Shillong joining us from Shillong. Captain Sharma joining us from Shillong. I beg your pardon. Captain Sharma, appreciate you calling us as soon as we flashed that number right there. First, tell us, how are you associated? Are you a student? Are you a parent? And what do you think about this decision?
And I'm very happy with the government decision. And it is a welcome decision. And these are all testing times. And a good decision taken by the government. And I request and urge all the parents, don't jump the guns. Let the government take a decision, detailed decision, as far as how do they want to mark them, how do they want to promote them. Be happy. Government has taken a very genuine and a very correct decision of cancellation of exams for the class 10 students. And I congratulate this government for taking such a bold decision.
Captain Sharma, thanks for joining in. Captain Sharma, congratulating right there, congratulating the government. That was our first caller. I just want to tell our viewers, the number is on your screen. Just call in. Call and tell us what you think about it. Aman is calling in from Delhi. Hi, Aman. What do you feel about this decision? And also tell us, you're a student, parent. Go ahead, Naman.
Hello, I'm Naman. I'm a student. This is a very appreciating step by the government, but I would like, from the platform of your channel, I would like to ask about the JEE mains also.
What would you like to ask about the JEE?
JEE mains, it was about to happen on 27 April.
Okay.
What about that? Will it be postponed or cancelled or what?
Very good question. We hope the powers are listening in to our broadcast, and they are listening in, and probably you will have an answer soon. Naman wants to ask a very important question: what's happening to JEE as well? For the moment, Naman, you're a student, and if you are appearing for class 12 or 10. We're getting you these updates at the moment, Naman. Naman, thanks for calling in. The center has postponed the class 12 examination, the board examinations, class 10 examinations cancelled. The number on your screens right now, dial this number, join us live on our broadcast, join us at 3 p.m. if you wish, join us now if you wish. Our phone lines are open, viewers. So call us, tell us how you think about this particular decision. Ashwini joining us from Delhi. Ashwini, appreciate you calling in. What do you feel about this decision? And tell us whether you're a parent or a student.
She's in 12th class. Now the big dilemma what we are facing is that when the exam will be conducted, if yes, and what will happen to the entrance exams.
Come again, Ashwini?
Ma'am, I'm saying, my daughter, she's in 12th class.
Okay.
She's supposed to appear in the board. Now, the decision for 12th class is not clear. What will happen actually? When will they happen, the exams? And what will happen to the entrance exam they have to appear for?
Yeah. Very good question, Ashwini. That's a clarification we need coming in from the government, from the top level meeting that really took place. A very, very important question that Ashwini has asked. Ashwini's daughter is appearing for 12th grade. So his question is, when will the grade 12 examination happen? And that is something that there will be an answer, because there will be a 15-day heads up that is going to be given, as Tanushree reported. But the bigger question here is, what about the other entrance exams that the students have to appear for? Very pertinent questions, and these are questions that these are concerns that you need to voice. These are questions that you need to ask. The numbers are on your screens. We're doing a special show, so call in and voice your opinion on this. For now, we're slipping into a very short commercial break here on India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.